The audience is starting to make their way out. You can see the autographers are jostling into position. You got to pounce and bounce, guys. Pounce and bounce. You got a lot of security. It's a cat and mouse game. You can see this is security. We kind of... Oh, look, here they go. Mel.
Relax. Don't put it in his face. He's good.
Mel, right here.
Give him more.
Mel, we're kids.
Give him space, man. He's gonna stop.
Let him walk, guys. Let him walk. Mel Gibson, yeah, lethal weapon. Oh, yeah. Danny Garber.
Back up. Give him Mr. Gibson. Ransom, sir. None of his face, guys. None of his face.
Let's go. Let him sign. Stop. Let him sign.
Give him some space, please.
My shit.
Be careful, guys. Be careful.
You guys can't come past here.
Where's my poster? Let's go to the lobby. Where's the lobby?
Mel.
We're just kids.
Back up.
Back up. Sorry. No, sorry. Guys,
get off the property now.
Thank you guys.
Off the property, guys. Off the property, let's go.
You guys gotta go.
Have a Sharpie. Anybody wants it?
Off the property.
Everyone on the sidewalk, please. Can I get you on the sidewalk, please?
Everybody back.